Hi everyone, happy International Yoga Day. Welcome to our International Yoga Day special video. Today we celebrate the power of yoga for a healthy body and peaceful mind. In this video, we practice simple stretching exercises, meditation, Surya Namaskar, Balasana, and many more yoga poses suitable for everyone. Yoga helps improve flexibility, posture, concentration, and overall well-being. It reduces stress, increases energy, and brings peace and positivity to our daily lives. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and nutritious foods provide essential vitamins and energy for a healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet along with daily yoga can help us stay fit, active, and happy. Join us in spreading the message of health, happiness, and harmony on this International Yoga Day. Thank you for watching.